It's Monday, everyone, and welcome to the Dream Garage from Honda Canada. You all know how this works, so let's get started. Today we're going to show you some tips for washing your motorcycle. First, make sure your bike is parked on a level surface, ideally on asphalt or concrete. It's a good idea to use an exhaust plug to prevent water getting in the exhaust. Next, spray some chain cleaner on the chain and use a brush or chain clean tool to remove dirt and grime. Spin the wheel to clean the chain and then keep spinning it as you rinse it off. Be sure to only use mild pressure water as it can damage the O-rings in the chain. Next, soap up the bike top to bottom. The simplest way to do that is to use a sponge or wash mitt and a bucket of soapy water. Make sure to get the entire bike and don't let any of the soap dry to avoid getting soap spots. Next, rinse the bike top to bottom and be careful not to spray directly at the creases in the engine, electrics, or the wheel bearings. After the bike has been thoroughly rinsed, dry it with a microfiber cloth. If you have access to an air compressor, blow off any remaining water from hard-to-reach areas. After a couple hours when the bike is fully dry, apply some chain lube to the chain. Okay, let's move on to trivia. Today you'll be playing for Honda Roadside Safety Kit as well as the First Aid Kit. Question: what does DCT stand for when referring to a Honda Goldwing? Answer below this post for your chance to win. Remember, you need to respond with the correct answer within 10 hours of this post going up to qualify. Good luck, and we'll see you tomorrow.